The spiritual meaning of selenite: purify, protect and connect with light. Have you ever craved a moment of clarity so pure it felt like your soul took a deep breath? That's the power of selenite, a crystal of heavenly light and earthly grounding. In a chaotic world where spiritual balance feels elusive, selenite stands as a luminous reminder that peace and purity still exist within and around us. Selenite, named after Selene, the ancient Greek goddess of the moon, embodies divine femininity, intuition, and ethereal calm. Its translucent glow mirrors moonlight frozen in stone, a symbol of purity, reflection and quiet strength. Unlike other crystals, selenite doesn't absorb negativity, it clears it. Just being in its presence is like stepping into an energetic cleanse. This celestial stone is best known for its cleansing abilities. It purifies energy fields, auras, and even other crystals. Many practitioners use selenite wands to sweep away stagnant energy, while others place it near windows or doorways to create spiritual sanctuaries. It never needs recharging, making it a rare and powerful constant in an ever-changing energetic landscape. But selenite's power goes beyond purification. It is a guardian of light. Empaths and sensitive souls often describe feeling protected under its subtle influence. Its high vibrational frequency forms a shield that keeps low energies at bay and helps maintain emotional balance. Placing selenite around your home or workspace helps maintain a space of tranquility, clarity and safety. Most compelling, though, is selenite's role as a spiritual connector. Aligned with the crown and higher chakras, it opens pathways to higher consciousness, angelic guidance and inner knowing. Meditating with selenite deepens intuition, enhances communication with spirit guides, and fosters a gentle but profound sense of presence. It is a favorite among energy healers, light workers and seekers who yearn for alignment with divine truth. In practical use, selenite can be integrated into daily rituals. Use it during full moons to cleanse your intentions, keep a piece on your nightstand for lucid dreams, or hold it in your palm during meditation to amplify clarity and grace. Its simplicity is its magic. It invites you to slow down, release the noise, and return to the quiet wisdom of your soul. So, how do you connect with selenite? Has it become a part of your spiritual journey, your daily ritual, or your sacred space?